Okay, Piano Adventures Sight Reading Coach. When you log in, you have a dashboard, and you can go to Content. Content is where all of the exercises are. It looks a little bit different from me because I'm the teacher. Hadassah will start with the purple, the primer. Samuel, start with level 1. Okay? Click on See More. It starts at page 36 in the book, that's fine. Open the first example. You have a couple of options. You can, when you're practicing, click on the tempo. You can change the speed, slower or faster. You have the tracks below the tempo. The tracks mean there can be background music playing, or you can hear click, 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 click metronome. Okay. The backing can either follow you if you want to learn it, or can just keep going click, click, click and not wait for you. Okay, follow me is only if you're practicing a piece that's really difficult. The cursor is the vertical line that moves along from the piece. Keep the cursor on. Details, that doesn't matter. The tuner, that does not matter either for you. Scroll, well, actually, I don't think it will. Scrolling is not as good, I don't like that, as pages. So keep it in the pages view. Okay? Then, if you want to play it, you can listen to it, that's fine. To pass each piece, you have to click the red record button, red record, and you have to get at least an 80, a score of 80. One, beep, 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 and boom, beep, 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 bum, 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 bum. Kind of like that. All right, that's the game. If you can get a score of 80 or higher, oof, that was not good. I did not get a good score. See, I had some greens, but then, oops. If you can get a score of 80, go to the next piece. If you get a score under 80, well then just try again. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right.